Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires! Tappy is here, ready to guide you through the confusing world of cryptocurrency. First things first, let's figure out the pluses and drawbacks of holding cryptocurrencies with a Centralized Exchange, or CEX. It holds your crypto tokens on your behalf, which aligns with a standard Web 2 arrangement. According to it, you create an account and purchase and sell tokens on the exchange. In this case, you rely on the exchange to handle your accounts and all your holdings carefully. At first sight, it's like having a bank or stock brokerage account. But hold on, most similarities will end quite soon. The exchange basically owns your tokens. And if some unfortunate event, like a bankruptcy or hack occurs, you won't be able to get back your funds. It makes me frustrated when I think of it. By the way, how can you make a robot angry? By pushing its buttons, but it makes me happy when you're tapping. Anyway, it sounds like a pretty risky adventure, right? In other words, you don't have protection and control over your deposits. Ever heard that famous adage, not your keys, not your coins? It seems it exists to encourage direct ownership. See you after reconnecting, happy tapping, and stay as crypto cool as your fan allows you. Tappy deactivated.